Hello YouTube. I'm on the road this week. I'm trying to get stuff done. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, but later on today I'm going to try and record some stuff to do with the jack connection and so on for the little arcade machine I was building. So stay tuned, let's see what we can do on the road. Hey guys, I have my friendly assistant here. I've just got back to Dallas and thought we'd carry on from where we left off. So this is a standard 3.5mm connector. This is what we have on most of our headphones. Some of our headphones have a microphone as well, where they'll have an extra ring by there, so it'll be left, right headphones, and then microphone ground or ground microphone. But in this case we don't really care because our arcade machine is one direction only. Okay, it's only on the output. So we're going to take advantage of this by using this ground to switch our headphone amplifier and our speaker amplifier on and off. This is our little connector. This is the PJ327F, and you can see here, let's see if I can do this on camera with my assistant helping me. Assistant?
Hello!
Okay.
My name is Bren.
Thank you, Bren, I appreciate it. Here's the front connector. This is going to be left, right, the first ring, and then this is the back ring, or we can call this as ground. Yes, please hold it for me. And you'll see that these 2 points actually conduct. Can you hear that?
I can. Sorry guys.
Now let's look at this connector with this not plugged in. You ready? Bryn, can you help me again? Can you put it on, touch on there?
Yep.
It's okay. The beep's gone. Why do you think that beep's gone?
Because that has to be connected.
Yeah,
it's not.
There you go. Let's try one more time. You ready?
Okay.
So what does that mean for us? We have this method of connecting a signal through the ground pin. So if you imagine on the side of our connector, I'm just going to draw those last two pins, right, which hang onto the rail, right. So you've got the connector here, and on the other side of the barrel you've got this connector, and as you insert the jack itself, it actually connects these two together. And if we say, hey, this one's actually going to be connected to ground, this one can be left floating. And what I want to do with this, pull this high, for instance. Let's say this is my 3.7 volts or whatever. That means that whatever signal is tapped to here will always be high until I connect something in here and it pulls this to ground. So that when I plug something in, this connects, so you get ground coming up through here and pulling down to here. So this value can be probably something pretty high. So I can probably put like a 10K on by there, and hook this essentially directly to my amplifier. So this point here is going to be pulled up to 3.7, and so it's going to be high. If I look at time, right, it's going to be high, and then as soon as I insert, then it's going to drop to ground. So this can essentially go to my amplifier. Now there's a few different solutions here. I actually looked at some other PAM devices they have. So there's a PAM 8403. And it's a simple amplifier that's got a shutdown pin. So what I may do is put that there, and then there's a TDA1308, which is a small 8-pin part. This is a headphone amp. This here is a very simple NOT gate. For those of you that are not familiar with discrete transistors, let me just draw this down here. It's very easy. You have, let's say, 3.7 volts into a resistor, which goes into the collector of an NPN, and this is tied to ground. And what we want to do is control this point so that it does the inverse, the opposite of whatever's going on over here. So if this goes up, right, so let's say it goes from 0 to 3.7, current will start flowing through this resistor and switch this transistor on, and at which point this ground, this becomes a very low impedance connection. Current flows through here, so it actually, the ground here becomes the ground here, and this ends up going, it was high, it goes low. Voila, a very simple NOT gate, dirt cheap use a PN2222 here, or a I actually like the surface mount variant, MMBT2222. That's about it really. Maybe an LED could be put in here as well to show which one's which. Thank you for your help.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
That's the end of the thing?
I have to now put this on the computer and edit it.
Oh, yeah.